And welcome back. Now, TVJ Sports has learned that more than 80% of jockeys and just under 50% of trainers are not currently licensed to ride or train horses at Caymanas Park. This as stakeholders look to get racing restarted in short order. Denise Walters has been tracking this TVJ exclusive.
Reports are that only 17 of the 99 jockeys who were registered up to December 2019 are currently licensed to ride at Caymanas Park. This according to figures contained in documents obtained from the Jamaica Racing Commission JRC on Wednesday by TVJ Sports. Efforts to obtain a comment from President of the Jamaica Jockeys Guild, Shane Ellis, were unsuccessful up to sports time, as calls and messages to his phone over the last few days were not returned. However, speaking with TVJ Sports on June 1, Ellis had indicated that his members were ready to resume race riding as soon as the industry was reopened.
So we just have to keep our fingers crossed and open for the best. But myself and the other jockeys, we're raring to go. We're working horses in the morning, training in the evening, so we're raring to go.
Responding to queries from TVJ Sports on Monday via text message, Chairman of the JRC Clovis Metcalf wrote, quote, "We will investigate," end quote, adding, quote, "We have been hearing numerous concerns over the weekend re-licensees," end quote. Jockeys are required to pay a total of $39,600 for licensing, registration and insurance, with $3,600 going towards the licensing and registration over a 12-month period. Meanwhile, TVJ Sports has also confirmed that 52% or 80 of the 153 trainers who were licensed as of December 2019 are licensed to train dating up to June 10, 2020. TVJ Sports sought a reaction from President of the United Racehorse Trainers Association, Ryan Darby.
Well, Denise, with the limited amount of licensed trainer, I think that is based on the economical condition that the trainers are under. But I'm quite sure that as soon as the projection date is released, you'll have a large amount of trainers being licensed. So I don't think we'll have a problem rectifying it.
In April, the JRC had announced that it would be waiving 100% of fees for all new and renewing applicants of the various occupational groups for the period May 1 to August 31 of this year to help ease the financial impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on horsemen. Darby said that waiver was appreciated, however, his group have some worry.
So the license fee was helpful in some sense, but I say that the expensive part of paying for the license was the insurance, which will still have to be done by the trainers. So it's really a financial crisis we are in.
The total licensing, registration and insurance fee per year for each trainer currently amounts to $50,200, with the licensing and registration totaling $4,000. Local racing has been indefinitely suspended since late March. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.